It took us about 3.5 hours to get here just because the roads were blocked. There was wires down everywhere, trees down, debris was everywhere. And of course, when we got here, we saw that pretty much the house was destroyed.
Here's what was left of our house. Completely destroyed.
My meter loop, where the power comes in, makes a connection with the home, had been damaged. We were able to get an electrician over same day, and I didn't miss the AEP circuit that was hooking houses up.
Water came down through that wall. The sheetrock started buckling. The baseboard started buckling. The insurance carrier kept trying to tell me it was flood. And no matter how much I would try to say there's no flood demarcation, why didn't it flood the rest of the downstairs? They still wouldn't hear of it.
During the confusion and the hustle to get the meter fixed and power connected, we did not take pictures of the damage. They could not pay it out if I did not have pictures.
It was obvious the house had been racked. Everything was out of plumb. This is very likely going to be a complete loss. We got an estimate for repairs. The things that you're talking about repairing, it sounds like it's just sheetrock and paint.
I finally filed a complaint through the Texas Department of Insurance. Within a week or two of that, I got a call from the carrier. They immediately took care of me. They got me my money and everything was fine.
Call TDI. I got a call from the insurance company, said they'd approved the claim. Check was being cut in the mail the next day.
I placed a call to TDI. I get a call. We've reevaluated your claim and we're going to call it a total loss. And we will be sending you a check for the difference of what we haven't sent you already. I was just overcome. Just like I am.
Solved the problem, solved it quickly and efficiently. I couldn't be happier.
If all else fails, okay, go online, TDI website.
Call TDI. Ask. If they can't fix you, they can point you in the right direction.